What's up, guys? It's Saluna King Kaiju, and today I'm here to give you guys a bit of sad news. It's about the YouTube group that I'm in. There is an argument that's been going on since the end of delay month, which, if you guys did not know yet, delay month is finally over. Which delay month wasn't a month, it was more than a month. Alright, so anyway, let's get to the main subject here. So, Toy Chica, the cute animatronic chicken, you guys might have known her. She's in the YouTube group. And, What Is Life AJ? Yeah, them both have kind of gotten well for a while until What Is Life AJ, who used to be Cupcake Girl 0701, got hacked. And she thinks it was Toy Chica because she gave Toy Chica her password. Now, that's something no one should do. Hold on, be right back. Thirsty. That is something no one should do. Give your password to anyone. Not even your best friends. Only your parents should know. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm just so thirsty. Alright, so this has been a major outbreak. Like, I don't think that Tim, Batman 25237, any of our other YouTube group members know this yet. I don't think any of them know it yet. Even I feel bad for AJ because she had to get her original name removed and then replaced by What Is Life AJ. I really am thirsty. So, yeah, hopefully they will sort out something that will prove that none of them are guilty and none of them are innocent. I guess, like, I don't know really what's gonna happen between them. Are they gonna not be best friends anymore? Because apparently, I think, I'm not 100% sure, Toy Chica and AJ are both best friends. Like, super best friends. So, I'll be kind of sad if they, like, not be friends anymore, but just because of something that, I don't know, just because of something that AJ did, which was wrong. Well, even if Toy Chica didn't do it, like, it's still wrong to give her your password because it's still possible she could have just hacked the account. But I'm not saying it's you, Toy Chica. I'm not saying it's you. I'm just saying, like, to AJ, like, still don't give your password away to anyone. Like, this happened to me. So, do you know how I made a Roblox video in my if you guys can remember, in my third channel, my backup channel, I made a Roblox video. I had a different Roblox account before. It was called Saluna 25. But it got hacked because I gave my password away to one of my friends who I never saw in a long time. I haven't heard from him in a long time. And I'm starting to think it was him. And now, because of him, I forgot. Yeah, it was so long I even forgot his name. Yeah. So, really does stress me out. So that's why I have my new Roblox account called Saluna 2005. Whew. So yeah, that's why I have to tell you, never give your password away to anyone or you'll end up like me and AJ. Because, like, seriously, And then you might even end up like toward Chica, if like you're the one who shared the password to. Like the person who shared the password to you would blame you because you're the person she gave it to. So hopefully you guys work something out or something, and hopefully enjoyed. Please stop arguing and settle something. Peace out.